The table below shows the ages for a sample of professional athletes from several sports. At alpha equal to 0.05, can you conclude that at least one mean age is different from the others? So the claim is that at least one mean is different. So this is the alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is that mu1, mu2, mu3, and mu4 are all equal. Alpha is 0.05, and now I want to go to the calculator and select ANOVA. First we need to enter the data into the lists. So press Stat, Edit. Now this time we have 4 lists. So we are entering the data into L1, L2, L3, and L4. And then quit out. Then press Stat again. This time go over to Tests and down to ANOVA. Press Enter. So ANOVA appears on the home screen. Now we want to type list1, list2, list3, list4. So list1, list2, list3, and list4, we have to press second and then the 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. And the comma button is right there. So that will look like this. Then press Enter, and F is equal to 0.62, and the p-value is 0.6086. So the picture looks like this, and the p-value is greater than alpha. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.05 level of significance, there is not enough evidence to conclude that at least one mean is different.